Good morning, you guys. Good morning. It's 7:39 in the morning, you guys, and I'm ready to start a shift. And guess what? We already have our first order of the day. $19 going 3 drops. It's going 3 miles and dropping 3 drops. So let's start the day, you guys. Let's start the day. And you see the energy is too high. I'm ready to make this money, yo. I'm ready to make this money. Look, I'm by myself over here. I am by myself. So all this order I'm about to be getting, can you imagine? Finish loading my deliveries in my car. This is my first order, and this is my second one, and the other one is in the trunk, you guys. So let's start the day, you guys. Let's start the day. Let's go deliver it. No, my first drop off is going 7 minutes. Let's go. It's now 8:12, you guys, and I'm back at Walmart, and I'm waiting for my next one. I'm waiting for my next order. It's 8:31, and we just received another order, $27, 8 miles, and we're dropping 3 drops. And the pickup time is 8:45. So we're gonna sit here, baby, and wait for 8:45. It's now 11:40, you guys. We just received now our third order of the day. I think the last order we took was 8. It was not 9. No, I missed the 9 and the 10. So the last order that we took was the 8. I have been in here in a parking lot waiting for order. So anyway, we got $39 going 7 miles and 3 drops. So this $39 is gonna pay off all this time that we've been sitting. You see how it goes? This is how it works. So $39, it's almost $40. So it's gonna pay all these 2 hours that we've been sitting. I just finished loading all my deliveries in my car. So I'm heading to my first drop off and going 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes to my first drop off. Oh, my heart is, you guys, my heart is boop, 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 boop. Yeah, see that, dog? My heart. Oh, I thought it was running after me. I didn't see that it was on a leash. I was still trying to deliver on the house. Just received another order, you guys. $28, 2 drop off only, and almost 10 miles because 9.8. So, and right now it's 12:36, and the pickup time is 12:50. So that's our fourth order of the day. Fourth order of the day, y'all. Oh, you guys, we got $6 tip, y'all. $6 tip, and this last delivery, it took me outside of my area. Like, I'm very far right now. Going back at Walmart, I have to drive like 18 minutes. Yep, I am that far. So I am going back right now, and I'm sweating. I'm hot. I need to take this off. Like, it's so hot. I'm back at Walmart, you guys, and we just received another order. I think it's our 5th order of the day, $23, and it's going 10 miles. It's going far, and I know I take it because it's kind of slow, so I need to take it. So in this after this one, we will be on 138, you guys. So, and it's 1 right now. All right. I'm delivering at the apartment, you guys, and we have water. So before I took this order, I made sure, like, is this apartment, is it going 3rd floor, 2nd floor, how many waters in it? And now I'm tired because of the weather. I have to take it all the way over there. Whew. So that's the other thing that you're supposed to check here, guys. When they give you an order and you see it's apartment, double check what's in that apartment. Double check the items, like if you have water, how many cases of water, is it going 2nd floor, 3rd floor, 4th floor? Sure, definitely if going 3rd floor and it has more than 1 case of water, I'm not taking that order. 2nd floor, I'm not taking that order if it has more than 1 case of water. But 1st floor, I would take it. It's alright, I would take it. So I'm going to my next delivery, my next drop off. We just received our shopping order of the day. What happened with shopping orders? Wow, it's 2:45 and it's our first shopping order of the day. $14, and we're only shopping for 5 items, and it's going 2 miles. $35 right now, and we just received another order, $30, and it's going 8 miles, 3 drops, and the pickup time is 3:50. So somebody asked me in a comment if Spark cares about acceptance rate. I don't think it really matters about your acceptance rate, because like a few weeks ago I was on like 16 acceptance rate, and right now this is what I have. So I don't think the acceptance rate, it really matters in DoorDash. I mean in Spark. Here they go again. So you guys, they just canceled my order. They dropped out one of the drops. So it was 3 drops, and now I have 2 drops. And that 2 drops, I have to take it for 7 miles, $16. And I'm like, no, I'm gonna drop that. I'm gonna cancel this trip. So I just canceled the trip. So after just like 2 minutes, we just received another order, $29. It's a shopping order, and I'm shopping for 2 people, you guys, 2 people. So one of them, I'm buying 14 items, and the other one have 4 items. I'm going 5 miles. Done shopping. This is for A, and this is for B. First person, the second person here. So I'm going to check out. It's 5:33 right now, you guys, time is moving, time is going, and we just received another order, $19. It's a shopping order, and we only shopping 10 items, y'all. And it's going, was it 2 mile or 1 mile? This is a very good order over here. It's going, I think it was 2 miles and only 10 items, y'all. $19. Let's go shopping, let's go shopping. We're getting at the end of the day. We are getting there. And how much? Guess how much, guys, we made today? Guess how much we have so far? Watch till the end, and you're gonna see today. It was. I can say it was a fantastic day. Fantastic. Only thing I don't like. Do you see how long that I have to work? Like all the space, all the parking lot, they are full, y'all. I gotta work all the way over there. Oh. After this order, I think I'm doing 2 more orders because today is Friday, and I'm not rushing to go home. As soon as it gets dark, that's when I'm gonna go home. Your thing is going.
Sorry.
It's okay. No, it was going in the bump there. So, yeah, what was I saying? Her cart was moving, like it was about to hit somebody's car. So I went to grab it for her. So today is Friday, and I'm not rushing to go home. As soon as it gets dark, that's when I'm gonna go home. I think it's gonna be like 7. So I think I can still do 1 or 2 more orders before it gets dark. You guys, 6 right now, and it's starting to get dark. And we receive another order, $18 shopping order. We're shopping for 12 items, and I think this is our last order. But let's see, you guys. Let's see what's gonna happen after we drop it off. You guys, thank you so much for watching. If you watch this video through here, I love you. Oh my god, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. Our shift is over. We are going home right now. It's 6:55. I'm going home. And guess how much we made, you guys? We made $220. We reached our daily goal, you guys. We reached our daily goal. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.